gas griddles can be a great alternative to a regular gas grill. The flat griddle design makes them perfect for cooking items that a normal grill would struggle with. There are many products available to choose outdoor griddle, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best outdoor griddle from reputed brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Blackstone 36-inch Gas Griddle. Blackstone is the industry leader in gas griddles. Since 2005, they have been selling griddles and have reaped the rewards of outdoor cooking's tremendous growth. Every Blackstone product is designed and engineered in the USA. Using the Blackstone 36-feet gas griddle station's 4 independent stainless steel burners, each with temperature settings ranging from low to high, you may make a variety of delicious treats for large groups of people. You have 720 square inches of cooking space at your disposal, and to make cleanup simpler, a big grease drain has been added. The grease trap on the Blackstone is noticeably better and cleaner than the Pit Boss or Camp Chef griddles we tested. Number 2. Royal Gourmet GD401 Portable Propane Gas Griddle Combo. This larger gas griddle combo gives you the option to cook concurrently on the griddle and grill. The 292-in, 2 surface area cooking surfaces are positioned next to one another. There are a total of 584-in, 2 that can be used to grill almost anything. With 2 burners on each surface and 4 cooking zones, it boasts 4 stainless steel burners with a total heat output of 12,000 BTUs for the grill and griddle. With this, a regular family of 4 or 5 can easily make meals. With the push of a simple button and electrical ignition, the heating process begins. In order to facilitate cleanup after the barbecue, it also features removable drip pans and a built-in grease pipe. Number 3. Blackstone 1650 Tabletop Grill. The cooking surface of this portable griddle is 260 inches. For small families or traveling groups who just need to prepare meals for a few people, the Blackstone Tabletop Grill is ideal. We included it in our ranking of the best tabletop grills. The griddle uses a 1-pound propane bottle and an electric igniter, so starting it up is quite easy. It is composed of stainless steel, and the griddle cooking surface can be taken off for convenient cleaning and storing. The sole burner is controlled by a single knob in the center of the control panel. Number 4. Cuisinart CGG 501 Gourmet Gas Griddle. An alternative to a portable griddle is this gadget. As opposed to using a single H-shaped burner in the middle, it uses 2 stainless steel burners, giving you somewhat more exact control over your cooking area. The surface, which is 285-in, 2-in area and is made of very thick cold-rolled steel, assists in heat dissipation but less so in rust prevention. This fuel requirement should be taken into account before making a final purchase, as it uses a line intended for larger, 20-pound propane tanks. Number 5. Cuisinart CGG 36 Gas Griddle. The closest griddle I've found to one that can compete with the Blackstone is this Cuisinart model. Although this appliance has a much larger cooking area, the Blackstone 36 griddle has more functions. The 2 shelves on either side of the cooking surface push down while carrying this device from the house to the campsite.
That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information if you want to know product price, do check out description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier. Thank you.